This is Paul. Here's my first rocket stove. Tube comes down like a normal barrel stove. 6-inch pipe exhaust, 6-inch pipe coming all the way through the wood burner, and inside the wood burner is this T, but it's on the end that connects this tube and that tube coming out, and the cap is facing inside the bottom of the barrel drum. I've got it supported on blocks right now. This tube here is not screwed together inside. It's just sitting there for experimental purpose. See how it's going to work. I'm trying to build an auto load feeder so you don't have to put stuff down in there and have to put stuff down there. I'm looking at going with a larger tube going through the drum, which is probably 8 to 10 inch black pipe. I'm trying to get as big as the door so it has more area for larger wood if you want to insert wood through the cap straight into the black tube, and then larger tube that turns into a Y at the bottom so it auto feeds going back in, so you don't have to sit there and load the wood burner all night. Cap is for cleaning out. Cap is also for loading wood, that you can actually take the cap off, load a big long piece of wood starting at the beginning the fire, and then it works down to here, works up the tube, or works down at the end, and then it auto feeds and the wood drops down. That is what my end goal is going to be. As you can see, there is no smoke. Right now, the barrel drum is aiming at the top, 124, $156. The tube is 170. As you can see, 203. Near the inlet outlet, 164, and definitely near the outlet, 161. I can zoom it in without. There you go, 161. So 150 there, aiming at the front. Different areas, 170, 190. Inlet tube, 134. Right here is 82. Cap, probably gonna be too hot to register. Yep, it says high. This little thing only goes up so much. Alright, gonna load some more pieces of wood. Scrap box. I'm gonna build up some ashes in the bottom. the fire going and then drop some logs in. Rip roaring fast by feeding the fire in front of garbage. Cruising quick. Now I can load the big pieces in. So much for that cardboard. Oh. Funny cardboard. Alright. Here we go. So I'm trying to get the cardboard to light it in there. It's burning at the bottom, but I want to get it burning towards the top. As you can see, no smoke. There's a jet. No chemtrail. Not on that one. There we go. Got something going there. New pipe smoking. Alright, I'll show you what's going on. Scrap box.